We absolutely need to take a look at everything, and reforming the tax code is certainly a part of that. There was a study done by JLARC back in 2011 that took a look at a whole number of tax expenditures and loopholes and ultimately determined that almost none of them had a positive impact on the state's bottom line. So first order of business is, if we are spending money and getting no benefit for it, we're losing all of our opportunity to invest in a 21st century infrastructure that is going to bring business to Virginia. So stop right there. Take another look at that study. Nothing came of it. Let's take a much more serious look and make sure that we close loopholes that do us no good. We do need to take a look at the accelerated tax rate. I understand how it can work to help balance the budget, but if we have to resort to gimmicks and tricks, then we're not doing anybody any favors. I commanded the largest fighter base in the country, and I had to work very hard to meet a budget. You need a little bit of certainty, and so rather than moving money around, make sure that the tax rate allows businesses to budget throughout the year. Very careful to strike a balance in the BPOL, because on the one hand, there are certain jobs that absolutely require, public safety absolutely requires that only qualified people do that job. On the flip side, if we are too aggressive in BPOL regulations and taxes, we will limit new people coming into those businesses. Got to strike the right balance. All of that is what I did as a commander, 3 command tours in the Air Force and 2 combat command deployments. You take a look at all of the facts, you figure out what's the right balance to protect the mission, to protect the public safety, but also to be effective and efficient in your use of resources. That's where you go. That's what I will do for the Commonwealth of Virginia.